Hi everybody, I'm Adir Abergel. I've been a hairstylist for over 25 years. I am so incredibly passionate about bringing products to people that actually work. I've been in the industry for such a long time and I've seen so many products out there, and for the first time ever, technology, science, innovation, all at once in your hands. Our restorative treatment mask is incredible because it's a super hydrator. It really helps repairing and boost your hair. I like to put it in while you're in the shower after shampooing and conditioning your hair. Put it in, and in 180 seconds, you're going to get the full benefits out of it. It's so beautiful. It transforms your hair. It puts back the elasticity. It puts back the bounce, and you get that gorgeous, youthful vibrancy that you've been looking for.